What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be all about fixing the YJ. So if you guys seen the Peck Brothers video with the nitrous minivan, we had a huge catastrophic backfire.
Dude, what was that sound? I thought for sure there was gonna be rods and crankshaft on the sand after I heard that.
So what happened is we put the paddles on the YJ. They threw sand everywhere. What had happened was the sand got down into the button. I hit the button, and as soon as I hit that button, it locked it into place and didn't let go. And I was on the nitrous the whole way up the hill. When I let off the throttle, the button stayed down, loaded up that intake, and backfired. And I'm pretty sure that started the beginning of the end of this engine. These two boxes right here have the solution to our rotating assembly issues. So we are going to time lapse the entire engine build. So right now I'm going to show you what we got in those boxes. Now, every single motor we put in this thing has been absolutely junkyard material. So we didn't touch the bottom end, we honed it, we just kind of dolled it up a little bit to make it work. So these ones should be the last set we ever buy, and we should never have an issue like we have been. So we're going to unbox and I'll show you what we got. All right. So, seal kit, bearings, forged H-beam rods, forged dome pistons. It's a 4340 forged crankshaft. So now this is a full kit that we picked up from Summit. So they hooked us up on a good deal to get this thing going again. So if you guys need anything from Summit, I'll put a link in the description below. Use that link to go get yourself anything from Summit.
I'll put a forged link in the description.
So 25,000 string gap on the top is what we're gonna end up with.
I got the Corvette in my Hemi once.
No, you didn't. So 27,000.
I knew somebody that did.
No, you didn't. So 27,000.
I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No way.
We got the entire rotating assembly in. Everything's torqued to spec. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and yank the motor out and swap everything over. So cylinder number 4 and 3 destroyed. It's locked up right now because that little piece in there has lodged between the crank and the rod and the block. So now we gotta use an air hammer to get it out. We got it. Oh, dude, we got so lucky. Look at that. Oh, it did hit the valve. Oh, dang it. Look at that. Okay, so we hired some reinforcements. I called in a few favors, and we're gonna get this thing running today. So we're gonna time lapse the engine build, or we're gonna time lapse getting the rest of it done. Okay, so we've got the engine in. So we've got it all dialed in. We didn't need that anyway. So it's in, everything's hooked up. Okay, so we got the engine completely back together. It didn't fire the first night because I realized I was an idiot and I ordered the wrong parts. So the wrong crankshaft I ordered had the wrong tone ring on there, so I had to do a bunch of other stuff. So we got it in there and we got it fired up, been running it a few days, and it seems to be running pretty good. So I can't thank my buddies enough to come here and help me on the weekends, give up their weekends. So you're gonna see this thing a lot more. It's got a little bit more power. We might take it up to the drag strip, not sure, but we are gonna get this thing on the road and take it for a test rip. Hey, do you wanna come with to go rip the YJ? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go. We took the button from here, where see how it still gets stuck. So we completely got rid of that one, and we ended up putting it on the shifter. So now everything is right here. It's in control, and it's sideways. So hopefully we don't ever have to run into the situation where the button gets stuck, kind of like this guy. All right, guys. So we got that thing all finished up. It's running good. Drives good. We left the 275 shot of nitrous in it, so hopefully we don't have any more issues with that. So now we can get this thing out and go playing. Okay, since we got the YJ done, we've got a new project that we're gonna get started on, so you're not gonna wanna miss this. We put a poll up on our Instagram about a new t-shirt idea that we had. Everything came back positive, so we ended up going ahead and doing it. So this is the new Purge Series t-shirt. Super premium, good quality shirt. If you guys want to help support the channel, help us start doing a lot more stuff, I'll leave a link in the description for that t-shirt. Plus there's a whole bunch of other stuff on there, women's clothing, there's dog stuff, there's kids and babies. So there's a whole bunch of stuff on there. So if you want to pick yourself something up and help support our channel, that would be super awesome. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, so we hired some